Welcome to the Waldock Way. I'm Jessica, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of a Universal Yums box. Now, this is a subscription that we have received for a few years now, and I've never done an unboxing because normally the moment they come in, we are already eating them, and I have not been able to hold on to one long enough. So I snatched this one up so I could show you guys inside in case this is something you are interested in. This is an amazing thing for geography for homeschool. You can see this box says Hindi, see inside for explanation. And the size box that we get is just the standard Yum box, which is the smallest box they offer. We find that that's more than enough for the three of us. They do also have a Yum Yum box and a Super Yum box, which are a little bit larger, which means they just include more snacks. So the first thing on the top of every box is always one of these little inserts. It's a little bit of a map, gives you a little information about the country, and it welcomes you to where you are. So you can see here it says, "Welcome to Turkey." On the back of this, there's always a few little games, a secret puzzle, and then the official Yum awards. So it lists all the snacks that are in the box, and you can rank them by best, second best, worst, and weirdest. Also included is this pamphlet. So inside here, you have some snapshots and information about Turkey. You have trivia. And then you get into the different snacks. It tells you what each snack is and gives you some background on the snack, how it's made, why they chose it for the box, etc. Then you have a recipe normally. Here you can see the recipe is Turkish coffee. Here's another recipe for Turkish meatballs. The trivia answers, and then it gives you some background from the trivia answers. It also gives you the answer to the secret puzzle here as well. And then a clue to next month's box. There is also, I missed it because it's right here. There's also a YouTube playlist for music that they give you the link to so that you have a recipe, trivia, and music for every country. So these are a few of the snacks that were included. There is normally some sort of cracker or chip, as you can see here. Here's another one. I'm not even going to try to pronounce these because I will get them wrong. There's normally some sort of like Little Debbie or cake type of treat as well. Cookies if possible, which it looks like that's what these are. And then there's normally also candy, a few different kinds of candy. So that's what it looks like these are as well. So those are the treats within the Universal Yum Turkey box. And I will be sure to leave a link in the description box down below. This is probably one of our favorite things for geography. And I will be back in just a second to show you what I always pull out when these boxes arrive. So every month when our Universal Yums box arrives, these are the 4 things that I grab. This is our Scrunch Map. I absolutely love it. It's like made indestructible. So we lay this out and find where that country is on the map. And then I pull our Usborne Big Picture Atlas. It's absolutely beautiful. And our Usborne Children Picture Atlas, again, gorgeous and has plenty of information in it as well. And then I pull the travel book, and if possible, I will bookmark pages, which I have done here to make it easier. So it takes me like 5 seconds to do this. And then here you can see is a whole page on Turkey. So we'll look at this and read about this. And then within, maybe 5 minutes, I've created a little mini unit study on that country. And we sit down and we read this, look at it on the atlases, eat the snacks out of the box while listening to the music. And then that night or a following night, we'll cook one of the recipes. And that is a huge part of our geography and our homeschool.